When you first open up iMovie, it will take you to this blank page, and you want to select projects. Right now you can see I don't have any projects open, so I want to go to Create New. And then you can choose from either a movie or a trailer, but I would suggest movie just because you can add in a lot more stuff. The trailer is more if you're making like a specific type of video, but you're more than welcome to explore those templates. So once you choose movie, this is what iMovie opens up to look like. And you'll see up top, these are your 5 main options. You have your media, which is images and video clips, audio, titles, backgrounds, and transitions. So starting with media, you need to import media. If you click import media, it'll let you choose from where to import it from, or I have these pictures here over on the side that I'm going to select, and you can just drag and drop. From here, these are now pictures I've added into iMovie, but they're not necessarily in the actual movie that I'm going to make. So let's say I was making a movie about my dogs. Once you have your media up here, and I just have pictures, but you can also use video clips, obviously, you just drag and drop the ones you want down to the bottom, and I've actually selected all of them. And now iMovie has set up already a movie with each clip. Anytime you need to edit one of the clips or video images that you've added in, just click on it, and it'll be selected, and then over here are where all of your editing options are. So if you double click, it'll pull up like this, and first for the style, I'm just going to have it fit the image, but you can choose how much of your image you want to be in the movie, or you can do where it will pan the image. So I'm just going to do fit. You can do things like adding filters if you click on this color palette, and here it'll help kind of fix the image to make it look better, which you can also do by clicking on this wand. If you need to change the duration of your image, if you go up to this eye, you can click duration, and let's say I only wanted this image to play for 3 seconds. I could do that. And now it's actually doing it for all of my clips, but if you just want one, you would just select it. You can also add voiceovers to each of your individual images if you want to by clicking the microphone. And if you click this, you can click this red and it will record your voice and do a voiceover for the whichever clip you have selected. So that's how to add in images and video clips and how to edit them. If you ever can't find something that you're trying to edit, a lot of times it can be found up top under Window or Edit. Audio, there are 3 types of audio you can include. You can include something from your iTunes library. They have sound effects for you to choose from, which what you can do is you just, so let's say I want to add in the sound of a dog bark. You drag and drop to wherever you want it. You can edit audio clips the same way that you edit video clips and images by just double clicking it, and then up here you can see, so I can set how loud that is going to be over here, and again to change the duration just double click and then click the eye, and you can set how long you want the audio to last. And then lastly, you can import sounds from GarageBand. So if you have sounds that you've already recorded and stuff that you want to include, a lot of times you can find them in here to include any audio that you have. If you go to titles, you can select what type of title you want. You can just click and again drag to wherever in your video you want to put the title. Backgrounds will actually let you add in, they have a couple of images for you to already choose from, but this works the exact same way it does everything else. Just drag and drop wherever you want it, and then from there you can add text and stuff to it. And transition, so if I want this image to spin out, you just drag it to whichever image you want it to do the transition for, and then it will include it here. And if you click it, double click, you can change the duration of that as well, and then apply. If you have an image you don't want to include anymore, if you just select it and then you can right click and just choose delete, and it will get rid of that image for you. But keep in mind, so you see that the audio is also gone, it will get rid of any audio that you had associated with it as well. So those are the basics of iMovie, and don't forget to kind of take some time to explore. One thing I noticed, if you click here, it takes you to this screen. To get back, just click it again. It'll bring up all of the media and stuff so you can access it again.